Okay, number 5 crossbar. So this phone can call these locally. It can also call a bunch of other stuff through the switch. See here all the inter-office access. Quite a bit of numbers you can call. There we go. So as you see here, quite a bit of inter-office calling from the 5 crossbar. Pretty cool. It's pretty good where you have 7 digits, 1 plus 7 digits from the 3 crossbar to the step-by-steps, the CX100, so on and so forth. So definitely got a lot of really cool things here. The magnetos, the common battery switchboard, so on and so forth. So let's make a call. It's interesting. You pick up the phone. Just amazing just to see how the switch just comes to life. And again, just how it stores the digits as you're dialing. So let's just try 338-6532. So it's going into the register sender. 6, 5, 3. Oops. Let's try this again, right? And that's making a call on a 5 crossbar.